There's always an authority. There's always like you, parang there's always this someone, whether it's a pastor or a business owner or coach mo, parang there's always someone gonna tell you, they know, it feels like they know the best for you. Here's the thing, guys. I was like doing this, and I was like, sabi ko, bakit kaya yung mga tao, they always like waiting for my confirmation? Parang feeling nila ako si Lord. Yan, parang, oh my God, sabi ni Sir John, yes, ito daw yung niche market ko. Woo! Sabi ko, teka, wait lang. Here's the thing what I'd realize. Dahil po simula nung bata tayo, there's someone in authority that tells us what to do. Di po ba? Oh, magmano ka sa tita mo. Magmano ka sa tita mo. Right? And then when they grow up, pasusuotin mo ng damit. Suotin mo yan, magsisimba tayo. Yung mga anak mo naman, ayaw isuot. Magsisimba tayo, suotin mo yan. Pagdating sa school is the same thing. There's an authority telling us. Right? Panatang makabayan. Ano yun? Iniibig ko ang Pilipinas. Di ba? There's always an authority telling us what to do. Uy, merienda na. Uy, ba't ganyan ang gupit mo? Right? Nung college tayo, sino rito ang inabutan? Ganun pa ba sa college ngayon? Bawal ang long hair? Hindi na. Bawal pa rin sa mga boys, sa mga men's? Boys? Bawal pa rin ang long hair? Bawal pa rin. Kaya sumikat yung kanta ng panahon ko. Anong paki nyo? Tanyo, magkakaedad tayo. Kala ko kanina, ako lang millennial. Kaya ako lang hindi millennial, ha? Out of ano yun eh, parang frustration nila eh. There's always someone telling, dapat gupit mo ganun. Nung high school, is the same thing. Nag-aral po ako Malati Catholic School. Stricto. Right? Eh kami naman, mandadaya. Kasi naman, yung gusto nilang gupit, parang naman galing preso. Anyway, going back to what I'm saying, there's always an authority. There's always like you, parang there's always this someone, whether it's a pastor or a business owner or coach mo, parang there's always someone gonna tell you, they know, it feels like they know the best for you. Right? Kaya mga magulang, ingat sa mga anak, ha? Alam kong mahal natin ang mga anak natin, especially yung mga maliliit. But sometimes, they're gonna reach a certain age that they should slowly learn to be themselves. Okay? Make sense, mga magulang? Okay? Gotta watch. I remember isang conversation. Mga magulang. Sabi ng anak, Ma, ayoko nang pumasok. Sabi ng nanay, oh bakit? Yung mga bata, hindi man ako gusto sa school. Ganun ba? Sabi ng nanay. Sabi ng anak, may iba pang teacher. Kung ano-ano sinasabi tungkol sa akin. Sabi ng nanay, anak, hindi ka po pwedeng hindi pumasok. Wala kang sakit, wala kang excuse. Tsaka anak, 42 years old ka na. At ikaw ang principal ng eskwelahan. Okay? So, parents, just be careful.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.